Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new topic from indices and cube root, that is cube. I have given my previous video link related to indices in the description box, which helps you the study of indices and cube root. Let's recall 3 into 3 is equal to 9, that is 3 square is equal to 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 9. That is minus 3 square is equal to 9. Observe the video carefully. 3 square is equal to 9 and negative 3 square or a minus 3 square is equal to 9. From these two statements, what is the conclusion? The number 9 has two square roots. One positive and the other negative. The positive root of 9 is shown as square root of 9 using this radical sign. The negative root of 9 is shown as negative square root of 9. Therefore, positive square root of 9 is equal to 3 and negative square root of 9 is equal to minus 3. Every positive number has two square roots. Here 9 is a positive number and how many square roots are there? 1 and this is 2. Means every positive number has two square roots. And what is about 0? The square root of 0 is 0. Cube. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the number. For example, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 4 cube is equal to 64. Means here we write 4 into 4 into 4. How many times? 3 times. 4 cube is equal to 64. Therefore, 64 is the cube of 4. Therefore, cube root of 64 is equal to 4. This is sign for cube root. Now we find out the cube of rational numbers. Now watch the video carefully. First example, take 6. 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. Another example, 5. 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Now observe carefully. I take another example. Third example, minus 6. Minus 6 cube is equal to minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36 into minus 6 is equal to minus 216. Means cube of positive number is positive and cube of negative number is negative. We take another example, minus 5. Minus 5 cube is equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 125. Therefore, positive numbers cube are always positive and negative numbers cube always negative. I write down the question again. Find out the cube of rational numbers. 6 cube we have already find out 216. Minus 6 cube is equal to minus 216. Now observe the steps and examples carefully. Next example 0.6 or 0.6. 0.6 cube is equal to 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 is equal to, here after decimal, here one place, one place, one place. Therefore in product, how many places there? After decimal point, 1, 2, 3 places. 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. So now what is the answer? 216. But decimal point after how many places? 3 places. Therefore 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. After 2 there is a decimal point. We put here decimal point. The answer is, therefore integer is 0. The answer is 0.216. Write down the answer. Next example. 0.06. 0.06 bracket cube is equal to 0.06 into 0.06 into 0.06. Here after decimal, here 2 places, here 2, here 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. But 6 cube, that is 216. Now decimal point after 6 places, 1, 2, 3. Therefore we add here 0 and then give decimal point, that is 0.000216. Now write down the answer. Zero point 0.000216 means whenever there is a in question after decimal there is a 1 digit, in the cube there are 3 places after decimal. Here in the question there are 2 places after decimal. After cube there is how many places? 2 into 3. Here 1 into 3, 3. 2 into, here 2 places, 2 into 3, 6 places. If we taken as a 0.006, then the answer is how many places there? 9 places. 3 into 3 into 3. This is a relation in a decimal numbers. When we count the cube. We take another example, minus 0.06. Minus 0.06 bracket cube is equal to, only here sign is changed. The answer is same but sign will be changed. Therefore answer is same? No. Because in maths sign is changed, the number is also changed. Here how many digits? After decimal point, 2 digits. 2 to 4 to 6 means 2 into 3, 6. So answer is minus 0.000216. We take another example of fraction. These are the examples of decimal fraction. I take another example of fraction, minus 3 upon 2. Minus 3 upon 2 bracket cube is equal to minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube is equal to 27 and 2 cube is equal to 8. But the number is minus. Therefore, answer is minus 27 upon 8. Write down all these examples in your notebook. Cube of positive number is positive and cube of negative number is negative. Write down all these points in your notebook. Today we stop here only. In our next lecture we study about the cube roots. How to find out the cube roots. Thank you.